So let's start. It's very easy pattern. Loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I made 30. So I'm gonna add 2 more. 1, 2. Yarn over 1, 2, 3. In 4th one, I'm gonna make triple crochet. So this is I'm not gonna count. I have 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm gonna this row continue like this. I'll show you at the end, but at the end I should have 29 this triple crochet. So then I'll show you. So viewers, this pattern is there at the end now. This row, and now I have 29 triple crochet, not include this chain is last one. So in this side, this 29th one, this is last one as well. On the middle, 28 in the middle. So I'm gonna make chain 3, yarn over. So I'm gonna make here front post triple crochet. Okay, front post, front post, 2 back post triple crochet, 2 back post, 2 front post, 2 back post, 2 front post, 2 back post, 2 2 back post, this pattern is so easy for beginner. Back post triple, sorry, back post triple, front post, this is last one. You can see it's look like this. I'm using a pink color. You can use whatever color you like. 1 2 3. So we were which last row which I made back post, it's look like this. This is going out. You can see this look front. I'm gonna make this one first. Back post, two back post, two front post, like this, two back post, two front post, front post, back post, back post, front post, back post, front post, back post, back post, front post, last one, you can see, continue like this. I'll show you again. So I have chain 3, then turn. Now I'm gonna make this front post. This look like this back post. I'm gonna make again front post, back post. So I'll show you. I'm just gonna continue like this: 2 front post, 2 back post, 2 front post, 2 back post. So viewers, this pattern is end now. You can see how it look like. It's easy and it's so good pattern. You can finish this blanket. It's very easy. So I hope you like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So this is easy for beginner. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment. So I'm gonna show you today this pattern. You can make scarf. It's for baby blanket. It's so good, this pattern, and so easy, and you can finish very quickly this blanket, and it is so easy for beginner as well. If somebody want to learn it, this pattern is so easy to learn. So I'm gonna explain to you. I will show you, but this pattern, if you want to make 100 chain for baby blanket, then you should have, when you start this double crochet, then you should have 99 triple crochet when you start here. 1 row for all triple crochet. So if you want to make 120 chains, then you should have 119 triple crochet. When you make this all rows with triple crochet, then you should have, I will show you how. So it's so good pattern. I hope you like this pattern.